Uh, we're doing a video game. Guys, we're gonna be doing a video about birds, goose, yep. I'm pretty excited for that, goose. Goose. And I'm gonna be talking to you about the purpose of birds, goose. So, goose, I want to tell you some weird stuff that's been going on with the barn swallows lately up in the sky. Lately I've been seeing them in the morning and before dinner, and goose, yeah, goose, I'm actually pretty surprised about that, goose. You know why, goose? Because, goose, I don't know, it's just early sometimes lately. And goose, last summer and last year and last summer, when it was nice out like this, goose, and in summer, they didn't come out that early in the day, goose, and I don't know why, goose. But goose, let me know what you think. I really want to know. But goose, yeah, that's what I did. Maybe there's just all bugs waking up and getting ready for the day because I don't have enough time. I've been hearing little starlings like imitating hawks and falcons and like eagles. They've been doing the squeaking noise like this. Because I have a new pet, and let me show you. Oh, fine, let me zoom in. There he is. Yeah, his name's Chad. He's an ant goose that I found. And goose, right when he saw my hand, he decided to like crawl on it, and then ever since he loved me, goose. So goose, yeah. Because I'm really happy that I found him. Because I'm gonna go show you where I found him right now. And goose, by the way, you probably saw that funny YouTube short I did for you, goose. It was a meme and joke. It's a good. Yeah. And I'm excited to show you where the spot. And there's like a bunch of ants over here. Look. See, that goose and goose here. The ants are kind of used to me. I would have to say. Because look, see? Let me just go show you where the ants came from. All the way over here. Came from this place right here, the ant workshop. A bunch of little working ants where I get all the food and stuff from. Because I decided to feed my ant, I gave him a little mint goose for my mom's purse, and goose, I thought it would be a good idea. I mean, the ant hasn't really been interested by it, and I mean, I thought ants like ate everything, goose. You know, goose, for my surprise, it didn't happen. I don't know why, goose. Me and my dad think that this robin's gonna have babies. Goes up. No offense, I'm just gonna whisper this up. I don't have the bird's feelings because birds are like big, the bellies jiggling around. So goose, yeah, I think that's how we can tell that it's gonna have a nest soon. Cause I need to pause the video quick. Okay, goose. Goose, by the way, there's a bunch of little other bugs, I guess. I don't know what these little bugs are called, but they look like they're ticks. See them, they're like moving around. Because I see them a lot, and I'm pretty sure that they're like ticks or something. Because you all know that ticks are shaped as a little dot and like a circle. And it's really tiny, goose. So goose, yeah, it could possibly be ticks. Because we live close to like a bunch of trees. See all these trees, goose. Seriously, right now. I mean, why wouldn't there be any ticks? I mean, at a stupid school, there's been a lot of ticks being seen. Because one of my stupid classmates, goose, actually found a tick in their ear, goose, and it was like this crazy, goose. Like, good, it's not like get in there. And goose, yeah. Ever since, yeah, put it in the toilet, goose. So goose, yeah. But goose, I'm actually surprised that she didn't get like bit by it. Oh wow, these ants going? No, what, goose? I think they're going like to the trash can or something. Look at all those ants. carrying like pieces of trash. See that, Goose? That's where that little ant came from. I think there might be a little ant home over here. Look, Goose. Somewhere. But Goose, yep. I'm really happy about Mother Nature. Mother Nature around here, Goose. It's good as it. Goose. Goose, there's probably some birds in here. Well, I keep seeing all of eastern starlings around here, Goose. It's good as you. I'm really happy that I stayed stupid school for the week. Goose, yeah. Tomorrow's the weekend, Goose. Sure. Goose, saw a lot of turkey vultures today in the sky. I saw super the old one, and it was a super big goose. But I only didn't see the head for some reason. It was a bunch of, let's see, those little black dots are barn swallows. And it was good. Surprisingly, I'm really happy that we sometimes see barn swallows in the air, because sometimes that's geogoose. I saw a bunch of like low ones, because they're like about the same lowness as like the others. Those are a bunch of kind of birds. There's more. There's all blue jays. Good. Look at that goose. Where are they all going? I guess they're all friends. Because that's crazy. There's even more goose. Look at that. I definitely saw that. Because there's more coming. Because here's the last one. Oh, there's a little bird over there. Because all of them are going over there. Because they're all friends or mates or like family members. Wherever they're going, it has to be important. It must be important for them, Goose. Where's a robin? There's a goose. Oh, goose. See if we can catch it. I'm gonna take these out, so I'll be quiet. Okay, Goose. I don't do this for nothing. Look at that goose. It's a really pretty bird. I did do that for nothing. To go all the way back. I'm gonna go get my pets. Goose. Stand by this kid goose.